miter saw is used to make crosscuts. That means it cuts perpendicular to the wood grain, though you can use other materials other than solid wood on the miter saw. The miter saw makes straight cuts that go all the way through a material. The miter saw is most commonly set to make a cut at a 90-degree angle, but you can change the angle of the saw in two different ways. Make sure your material is not too wide to be cut on the saw and that your hand does not enter the danger zone. If your material is not safe to cut on the miter saw, a technician will help you find another way to cut it. Ask a technician for help getting set up on the miter saw if you haven't used it before or if you have any questions. Set your material flat on the surface and hold tight to the fence. Bring your blade down before you turn the saw on to align your cut with the saw. When you're ready to cut, hold the material very firmly with your left hand. Squeeze the trigger to turn the saw on with your right hand. Slowly bring the saw down through your material. Wait for the saw to stop spinning before bringing it up. Keep in mind that the blade takes out some material and turns it into sawdust. If you are making several cuts on a board, either mark them one by one as you go or use a stop. Sweep up when you are done. To adjust the angle of a cut, loosen the knob in the front, move the saw to the angle you want, and tighten the knob. Make the cut. To cut a compound angle, set the second angle by loosening the knob in the back with the help from a technician. When you are done, set the saw back to its default position at 90 degrees.